3 is ready for another tour of duty, sir.
Vigilance is necessary in this location. Be on your guard, my friend. Very well. Stay strong, my friend.
Yes, Commander. Yes, sir. Come back if you need something.
Welcome home, sir.
Vigilance is necessary in this location. Be on your guard, my friend. Very well. Stay strong, my friend. Vigilance is necessary in this location. Be on your guard, my friend. Very well. Stay strong, my friend.
Yeah. Sure. Sure. What do you need? Very well. I shall follow.
Welcome home, sir.
Weary traveler, welcome to the Monastery of the Apostles of the Eternal Light. Oh, but you must be parched from your travels. Yet please, accept this gift. Holy water, blessed by our order. We must drink deep of the water of light, so that it may sanctify our tongues and render us purified for discourse. You must cleanse your tongue of unseemly speech by drinking deep of the holy water. Then we may speak. I can see the glint of Adam's light in your eyes. You have purified your tongue with the holy water. So now we may speak. How may this servant of the eternal light serve you? No, ours is a modest order. But our ranks are growing slowly, as others hear our words and are enlightened. As our luminescent mother says, where others walk only in the dying waste, we offer the path of eternal light. And to spread goodwill, we offer this holy water to any and all supplicants. Stop helping the needy? I don't think so. And even if I did, it's not my decision to make. Blessing of the holy water is overseen by Mother Curie III, our luminescent mother, and she's far too busy to speak with outsiders. I'm afraid it is not open to the unenlightened. Your presence would contaminate our great works. However, if you are willing to be baptized in Adam's holy light, then perhaps I could allow you to enter and meet our leader. Yes, call it what you will. We simply will not allow any who do not bear the light. Make your way to our tabernacle, pilgrim. Pray to Adam to fill you with holy radiance. Bask in the glow of Adam's eternal light. May Adam's light guide you.
What?
Too long, our world has been barren, and our people have become...
Yeah. Hey,
It's just...
there.
Is there something else? Cult? There's something about Megaton, isn't there? It's apparently the place to start a cult these days. Guess I can start sending them water again. Hopefully they can keep their grubby hands on their shipments this time. Here. It's not much. Most of the assets have been exhausted, but take this. It's definitely worth getting lions off my back. Thanks. He's dead? Great. I guess I'll just have to find some other way to subsidize the water caravans. I guess he's more clever than I thought. He's probably planning on selling the real Aquapura to raiders and slavers. Huh. Now there's a thought. Of course, lions would have my head if I tried anything of the sort. Maybe you should write this down. Go talk to Officer LePelletier at Rivet City and help her figure out what's happening to her caravans. If I'm lucky, I might be able to get some work done. I really need to clean this place up.
Hey, good to see you. I heard you had a bit of a problem getting the purifier started. Sorry about that. We're looking into exactly what happened. Anyway, it's great to see you on your feet again. We wouldn't be here now without you. Oh, well, after what happened to you when the purifier started, I think she just kind of had enough. It was really hard on her, you know? First losing your dad, and then the Enclave, and then the Brotherhood taking over here. It was really just too much for her. So I guess she packed up a few things and headed off north, towards the Commonwealth. Rumor has it there's a scientific community up there. I sure hope she finds what she's looking for. Me? Well, I figured after all the work we already put into this place, we could help the Brotherhood keep things running smoothly. It's worked out pretty well so far, I think. They're not necessarily the friendliest bunch, but I've been doing what I can to get along with them. Catch you around!
Good to see you.
Please, please, do you have any water? I'm so thirsty. Giving it away only to certain people. And those people aren't giving it to me.
Hello.
Great. If you're here looking for water, I'm afraid I can't help you. All the water is at Project Purity. If you want a handout, head over to the Jefferson Memorial and ask for Scribe Bigsley. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm busy coordinating military operations. Oh, he did? Huh, I was beginning to think he forgot about us. Not sure how much you know. There's been an increase in attacks on the caravans. Seems organized, and not just the random raider or mutant encounter. I'm running out of resources, and I'm down to my greenest men. I want to get to the bottom of these coordinated attacks. The sooner, the better. Great. I can really use a strong arm on this one. I need you to escort a caravan from Project Purity to Canterbury Commons. If, or rather when they get ambushed, I need you to figure out who's behind the attack. After protecting the caravan, track down the attacker's base of operations and put an end to it once and for all. I'm pretty certain any caravan will be attacked. This particular caravan also happens to have my most junior men escorting it. They could really use someone with wasteland experience leading the team. Great. I had a feeling you would. Officers Davis and Lauren should have just left Project Purity. If you hurry, you'll catch them. Their course hugs the river closely. If you head north, following the river from Project Purity, you should catch up to them. Please, hurry. Bye. If you're looking for Davis and Lauren, they're already on their way north. Follow the river from Project Purity.
Caution is advised. foolish. Reveal yourself.
What?
Hiding is futile.
Here's some. Look out! What? I hear something.
Come on out and let's fight face to face.
I'm going to find you.
You can run! Coming!
What do you think you're... They came out of nowhere. I need to get back to report to Le Pelletier. She'll want to know what happened. Thanks for the help.
Hi, I'm Split Jack. I'm recording this because I figure half you idiots can't read for shit. But you best don't lay this tape around just anywhere. If you're listening to this, it's because one of my boys thinks he can trust you. If he's wrong, you're dead. If he's right, then you're gonna be rich. Got us a plan, see? We hit the water mules with the Brotherhood busy fighting the Enclave. Soon they'll want to give up the whole delivery thing. Then, we offer our protection services. Wasteland's dangerous and all. We charge them steep. On top of it, we sell water to whoever we want. One in, ride out with the next ambush. Stash the water where it's done, the regulars will show you where. And then get up to Grandma's farms. Grandma loves visitors and keeps her mouth shut. That, she cooks a mean stew. So that's where we meet. Wilhelm's Wharf. It's on the river. Don't get lost. Oh, and memorize the passphrase. It's Meyerler stew. If you forget it, don't bother coming round. You'll get shot. Kitty.
Sir, searching for targets.
Hey. Well, did you take care of whoever's behind the attacks on the caravans? Really? Oh, that's excellent. Thank you. As soon as I have a moment, I'll make arrangements to see to your reward. Nothing of the sort! How dare you even suggest such a thing? Look around, for God's sake. Do you see a mountain of bottle caps? A stash of weapons? Only a quarter of the escorts have returned. Those poor boys are likely dead. And sadly for you, they took the last of our resources with them. No, you'll just have to pry a reward from the Brotherhood. Speak with Bigsley at Project Purity. I'm sure he'll be able to offer you a reward. Now, if you'll excuse me... Hail.
I was wondering. Yes? Yes, I received a message from her. It's here somewhere. Well, no matter where it is, I know what it said. The Initiates just finished itemizing a requisition of confiscated Enclave gear. There were a few items that we didn't immediately send out. I suppose you're welcome to those. The Brotherhood thanks you for your efforts. Now, if you don't mind, I think I'll just take a brief nap here at my desk.
By your command, sir. Yes, sir. Come back if you need something.